Hi, today we are going to introduce you our step coffee bag packing machine. First, this is the film rolling system. The machine is running with the raw stock packaging material to forming into the step coffee bag from the film, which can highly save your cost for the production. And here is the advanced sensor for following the mark, the tag of the film. As you can see, it can check the position of the tag and then make sure the machine is cutting on the right position. Not here, not here, it's on the right position to make the right bag. And here is the filling system. It can make sure that the machine is filling material as the weight you need and make sure that the material is not wasted or hurt. And here is the bag forming system. As you can see, the film is going into bag former, and the machine will cut the bag and seal the bag. And here is the collapse system for the waste material. There's the waste material be clapped into this roller, which can save your time for cleaning. And next is the outer bag system. The outer bag is also forming by the raw stock packaging material. As you can see, the film is coming from the roll into the top, and here is the date printer to print in the manufacturing date on the bag. You can print the number or letters as you need on the bag. And here is the advanced sensor to make sure that the machine is cutting on the right position, not cutting on the wrong position like that. It's make sure that the machine can catch the mark. And coming into the filling system, the inner bag is from the top, and then the machine arm will take in the bag and sending in the bag former of the outer bag, one by one, to making the step coffee bag into the outer bag like this. And in the end, the outer bag will be sent down and then sending out by the conveyor. Okay, thanks for watching the video.